Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're exploring modal verbs. If you're studying English at AB1 level, this episode is perfect for you. Modal verbs are special verbs that help us express possibilities, abilities, permissions, and obligations. Some of the most common modal verbs include can, could, may, might, must, should, and would. They're essential for adding shades of meaning to what we're saying and making our sentences more flexible and expressive. Let's check out a few examples. If I say, you can come to the party, the modal verb can shows permission. In I might go to the concert, might expresses a possibility. If you tell someone, you should try this dish, should gives advice. Or, in I must finish my homework, must indicates a strong obligation. Modal verbs don't change form and are always followed by the base form of the main verb, making them easy to use once you get the hang of it. In everyday life, modal verbs come up all the time. Think about sentences like, I can help you, she could be at the library, or you must wear a seatbelt. Modal verbs let us express ourselves clearly, whether we're asking for permission, making suggestions, or talking about possibilities. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review. Your feedback helps more English learners find our show. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.